Okay, so let's talk about this tool business and projects. So this part even still now sort of confuses me a little bit. So you have a project, just like you would any other sort of 3D program, and then within that project you have tools. And in ZBrush, your what you would sort of refer to as 3D objects is referred to as a tool, and they sit here in the tool palette. So you can see I have a bunch of different tools here. You can have multiple tools within a project. And a tool is just not a 3D object because a tool itself contains subtools. And that's in the subtool palette just down below. So you can see here in this tool, I only have one object, which is this sphere. I can have multiple things in here. So let's say for example, I have a tool, a character tool, right? And within that tool, in the subtool, there is the character base, there is the character's clothes, there's the character's armor, hair, and props, and so on. I can have another tool, which could be something completely different. Let's say, for example, it's the other enemy or the other character. Let's say the character or the main character's enemy. And within that tool, I can have the same sort of thing. The main body, the armor, the clothes, hair, and any other props. So a project folder is just a collection of tools. And within those tools, you would have your sculptable objects, right? Your characters, your we would probably refer to as just 3D objects. So it's a little bit confusing. I think the best way to sort of think about it is that you just have multiple little projects within a project file, right? You can save out a tool just by saving it from the tool palette. So if you just wanted to save one specific tool, you can do that. What I typically do though is I just save it like how you would use 3ds Max or Maya. You can just press Ctrl S. That will bring up this menu where you can save your project files. Or you can go to the menu bar at the top here and just find where it says File. You just go File and Save, and that does the same thing. So it's up to you how you want to work. Some people like to work by loading in tools, which is a valid way of working because that way you're not having such large project files that contain multiple tools. Some people, like myself, just like to work using project files, and typically that project file just contains the one tool. So you might have multiple project files with one tool inside it, as opposed to many. And then there's some people that like to have a project file that contains many tools within that project file. Again, it's up to you how you want to work. I find it easiest just to press Ctrl S, save the project, and whatever tool I have within that project, I have it there for a reason, so it's going to live there.